This is a quick video focused on finding information about your donor's gift history. We'll look at the gift history page, the stats page, and two basic reports that can be used to gather donor information. Each donor has a gift history page, so let's start there. Click on the Names link on the left, then Name List Management. Search for and select the name you want. I'll just click on the first record here in the demo company. And from the main name page, we'll click the gift history link on the left. Here we see a list of the donor's gifts. If we click the plus sign next to each gift, we'll get more information about that gift. If the donor has a large number of gifts, we can change the display order in the field above. Click the Go button and Denari will reorder the list. It is important to note here that gifts won't appear on this page until the batches are closed. If you think a donor is missing a gift or two, check to be sure all the batches are closed. Clicking on a gift record will take us to the Limited Gift Edit page. Sometimes a gift might get linked to the wrong appeal or fund by mistake. This just allows us to change either of those without having to reopen the batch. Make the change here and then click on Save Gift on the right. The Stats page is a summary of the donor's gifts. To find that, let's go back to the Names link, Name List Management, and I'll select the same donor again. And now select Stats on the right. Here we see a complete look at the donor's history, and I'll give you just a few seconds to take a look at that page and see the information offered there. There are many reports that we can use to get information about donor gifts, and I'll highlight two of them here. First, the 36-month report. To get there, we'll click on the Reports link, then Gifts, and the 36-month report here at the top. First, we need to give it a name, and then you can use either a gift segment or name segment as filters if needed. If you choose nothing here, you'll get a list of all of your donors. You have three options in the report type field: donors, funds, or appeals. This simply organizes the data by one of those options. In this case, we're looking at donor information, so we'll choose that. And then finally choose a report order and click the Run Report button on the right. I ran one earlier so that you can get an idea of what to expect. Let me narrow down the screen here a little bit so you can get an idea. You can see that you have a list of donors with a 3-year look at their donations by month. The next report is Detailed Gift Listing. Again, we'll click the Reports link, then Gifts, and Detailed Gift Listing. Anytime you see the word detail in Denari, it means all gifts. In other words, it's the opposite of summary. If John Doe gives 10 gifts, you'll see John on the report 10 times. You can use any of the filters on the page to produce or filter this report, but if you want just one donor, go to the Donor Account Number field and either enter the account number if you know it, or use the search function here on the right to select that donor. Click on Submit Request at the top, and Denari will run the report. This one is a PDF report that will go to your inbox, and as I mentioned earlier, it will give you a list of gifts for this donor that will match the filters. There are a number of ways to find information about specific donors in Denari, but this should get you started. And as always, if you have any questions, please contact tech support through the help button at the top of Denari.